Mama got it now. You gonna put it right there in the grass? You gonna put all of them in the grass? Fat Cat's getting mad, ain't she? Fat Cat, mellow out. They have to play. They gotta get in the grass, don't they, Molly? Let them play, honey. You can't hold them. Just let them walk. They don't get no exercise in that big old tub. Let them walk, and you'll follow them. Look, Figaro's already trying to get loose. When you say Figaro? Right there. Trying to get loose from you. She's wanting to walk. Yeah, let's play. It's okay, honey. Let them go. Let them go. Let them go. No, they're just walking, okay? See, they like me because I leave them alone. I love you. Come on, kitty kitties. Tell them, say, come on, kitty kitties. Oh, Molly. What is wrong with you? You're going to bed early tonight, you little grouchy baby. You better get out here and watch your babies. Here comes Furby. They're okay, Fat Cat. Fat Cat, they're okay. They're okay. Let them exercise a little bit. You better come watch your babies. Uh-oh, here comes the big doggies. No, they're okay. It ain't the big doggies. Mommy thought it was. You ready to eat your hot dog when Daddy comes back and wash your hands? Yes, and your popcorn. Pull your pants up for Mama. Thank you. Pull your shirt down. You got them pulled up too high. Pull the legs down, baby. You little bear cat. Ew! Who taught you to spit? Look, 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 look. Fat Cat's taking this one with her. It's okay, Fat Cat. Get it, Molly. Get it. It's going to get under the lawnmower. Bring it back out. Sit it back down. Sit it back down. No, Fat Cat's taking them back in there. Fat Cat's taking them back in there. I know.
Here.
Watch.
I've got soap.
Wash your hands. This one likes me. You like me, kitty? Oh, look at its little eyes. I'm telling you, something's wrong with its little eyes. Look so cute. Don't you me. Well, you told me to video them.
Yeah, I don't want you. What I want video is Sissy. Mama play
Well, she's trying, but Fat Cat won't let her.
Here. Get up underneath your hot dog and pick
Her
it.
little eyes need to be clean. Watch where you're at, Rob.
I ain't moving. I know not to move. Get up there and Daddy go get you food.
Watch this one. I swear to God, it keeps going back to the garage.
Come on.
No, it's okay. Wash your hands. Go eat.
She's already washed her hands.
Okay, get her food. I'll get to Kitty.
If you
Come on. Eat your bite-bites. Mommy gonna get them in the sun.
Up here and eat, then you can do it. God, get it. Please, honey, just make her eat.
Get up there and eat, Molly.
Unless you quit.
You eat, Molly. Mommy's right here videotaping your kitties.
Get hot dog.
Watch them come right back to you.
Yeah. Let her eat.
Yeah, they're coming right back to you. They love you. Yeah.
Let me get them over here and try to give them a piece of bread.
Hell, you don't have to. They're coming right back.
I want them back. Here. Yeah, old Piss Cat there wants the best. She thinks she ought to have the
Listen
best.
to her. Talking about Fat Cat or Figaro?
Fat Cat.
No, Fat Cat wants her babies back.
Fat Cat, you know what she did there while you guys is gone?
Until.
I let Sissy get them out. And
Put one in the Corvette.
she got up on the back of the Corvette and looked down. She's ready to do it. There. Oh, can't kill it. Are they big enough to eat a little something?
Yeah, they said 3 weeks, and they'll be 4 weeks Sunday. What? Fat Cat's leading it to the garage, honey. Watch this. Watch him. I don't know. This one keeps going this way. You reckon it smells a rat or something?
Just let them alone. Let them go where, as long as they don't get in that cold.
They won't get that way and get hurt. Stuck.
Can't get hurt.
Stuck to where we can't
you
get
can throw
them.
them up there. When they get big, they come back down on
Look
their
here.
feet.
All 3 of them. They're all right, Fat Cat. She's going wild, ain't she?
Oh, yeah, she went wild. She got up on the back of the Corvette, buddy, and looked back down, and she was wanting to take them in the Corvette.
Go eat, honey.
Go
You eat.
Yeah, well.
They're okay. Go eat. And then we'll take care of the kitties. Yeah, Mommy's watching them while you eat, okay?
She's going to put that water, and it's got soap and water in it. And we set it in the garage for Max wants to get in it.
She's okay, Fat Cat.
Okay?
She's okay. Watch her. She's going nuts. That's what you call a mummy. Told you gonna get over here and get stuck. See, Fat Cat, she's okay. Here she is, Fat Cat. Look, all 3 of them. See? You gotta let them grow up. I hate letting my baby grow up. There's your my baby. Look at them. They're spreading out, ain't they, Molly? It's okay. They're okay. Mommy ain't gonna let them get hurt. Look, Mommy's right after them. Is that Figaro? Yeah, that's got to be Figaro. That's the prettiest one with the prettiest eyes. That's got to be Figaro. Let me see you, Figaro. Yeah, that's Figaro.
Come on.
Leave it alone. Let them play.
I got you more milk, fresh milk.
They don't never get to play. Look here, she's already took one off. Where'd it go? No, there it is. Right there it is.
Go eat your hot dog, baby, and Mommy make. Are you gonna make spaghetti?
Mm-hmm.
Have a little slaw. Let me get a little something.
Fat Cat's going nuts, buddy. Don't get it out of there. This one's going under the vet. Yeah. That's what it was doing, getting in the coal pile. They're still solid white Rob Evans. Oh. She sounds like a dog growling. Yeah, but we can't give them a bath until they're maybe Sunday or Monday. They'll be at least 4 weeks. Look, it's going to drink some water. It is. It's drinking water. Maybe they're thirsty for water, Rob. It's drinking water. I swear to God, it's drinking water.
You're kidding. You're kidding, Grandma.
Maybe they're thirsty for water.
Oh, Grandma, you're fearful. No, Grandma, fearful.
It's okay, fat cat. Put it over here with the other ones. Kitty, kitty, kitty. No, leave it alone. It's okay. They're just exploring. Yeah, they're just exploring. It can get out.
It's not.
No, it's right there. Mommy can get it. Here, I'll lift up the cart. Grab it. Thank you. Is that Figaro? That ain't Figaro. No. It don't matter if it's not Figaro. You can't let it get hurt. Mommy wanted to keep it watching. Smash.
But let me hold it.
No.
That's a fearful. It's here. It's cat food. Mommy, go away.
Kitty. I know, that's why I want them outside. It's hard to get a video. These little thingies is all over the place. You little bear kitties is what you are. You're all over the place. Come on. Let's go outside. Come on, baby. You got it? There you go. Where are you going? I'll tell you, Mommy's losing her britches. Head right back to the garage, don't you guys? Mom's right here. They're over there. They're going all over the place. Watch Fat Cat. Fat Cat keeps following you, afraid you're going to hurt him. No, it's okay. Look at that. Right back to the garage. Where's the other one? Okay. They're all three. No, it don't. It just wants to sit. Watch Fat Cat. Fat Cat's going to lead it in. Uh-oh.